Yeah, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart listeners, wherever you are. How are you? How's it going? Yes, as usually every Wednesday on 7 until 8 p.m. Of course, we are here. I am here with me, Erde Sam, and of course, I'm not alone. We have a few friends from a few communities. But before we are going to talking about the topic, of course, I would like to invite them one by one to introduce their self. Are you ready, smart listeners? Yes, okay, let's go. Hello, guys. Good evening. Please use the mic. Okay, once again, hello. How are you?
Fine.
I'm
Fine.
Yes, I'm good.
Okay, excellent, fine, great, amazing. Okay, yeah. Welcome in our second home. Yeah, on English Communities Programs Smart FM in second floor. Yes. Okay. As I mentioned, smart listeners and viewers at home, that I would like to invite them to introduce themselves one by one. Before we are going to talk about the topic. Yes. Okay. I would like to start from you. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English communities and how it looks like? Okay,
Okay.
please.
Okay, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Evening.
And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmatika, but my friend usually call me Tika or Tik.
Tik.
Yes,
Teknologi
just Tik.
informasi.
Okay, I come from ECC, English Camp and Community.
Okay, please explain how it looks like.
Okay, in ECC we have to learn intensive program in 1 month and
In boarding house.
yes, in boarding house, and you can find us on Instagram at ECC Makassar.
Okay, to more detailed information.
Yes, and for more information, you also visit us in Jalan Asrama Haji Sudiang.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome. This is welcome or welcome back for you.
Welcome back, I think.
Oh, welcome back. Seriously.
Because I always
This is your
be
second
observer.
Okay, to be observer, but this is your
Yes.
first time to be speaker.
Yes,
Okay,
this is my
so
first time.
I want to say welcome.
Yes.
Not welcome back.
Okay.
Okay, Tika.
Yes.
Okay, welcome Tika. Next. Okay.
Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My full name is Anjar Nur Pratiwi, but my friend usually call me Tiwi.
Okay. Tika Tiwi.
Tiwi.
Kutuliskan sebuah cerita cinta segitu. Tika Tiwi dong. Okay, continue,
Okay.
continue.
And I'm from ACC English Camp Community. I feel in ACC we not just learn, but that is community. And I feel in ACC that is not just learn, but I feel ACC like a second family for me.
I saw you guys to be ghost, right? Like like drama, like Grams.
Yeah.
You did it, right?
Yeah.
Guys, you how to say to be ghost? How could it be? That is a one-off program, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
With our community.
Okay, thank you. Welcome, TV.
Yeah.
Okay, Titu. Tika
Oh
TV.
my God.
Okay, next, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English club and how it looks like and the age, please.
Well, many people call me Ito, and my full name is Shirley Sarjita Ibnu Qayyim. Well, I'm from Max, an English meeting in a Masjid Al Markas,
Yes.
and I think you can join there because we conduct 3 times a week, and also, maybe after Asar pray.
Yeah.
But prepare yourself because the topic is a kind of hard.
Yeah, it's very scientific.
I mean,
Literally, yeah.
I mean, we discuss many problems actually. I mean, current
social politics.
current problems. So it's gonna be kind of like a above basic, like
Mm.
intermediate discussion.
Okay, I see. Because I am also joined. I was joined there also.
You did.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Welcome back. Still, you still have any information?
Okay, so if you really wanna see our activity,
Mhm.
you can see our Instagram in Max Almarcas.
Okay. Please, guys, follow and do not hesitate to ask anything about the English club, and you may join. Feel free.
Yep.
Yes.
Free of
Feel
course.
free and free of charge. Okay. Thank you. Welcome
Okay.
back, Tito. Yeah.
Well,
Ito, no, Ito. Ito. Okay. What about you? Please introduce yourself. What is your name? You are newcomer here, right? Okay, please introduce yourself.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Ratu Afdila Ilma, but everyone call me Ratu, which mean queen in bahasa.
Dua Maya.
Okay. And I'm from Kabupaten Bulukumba, Butapan Rita Lopi.
Okay.
And my English community is Mak Bicara Community, which you can find us in Instagram Mak Bicara Community.
Okay. How looks like Mak Bicara itself? I mean, English or polyglot or what?
So our community is basically learn a lot of English,
Mhm.
and also there is so many language too, like
Mhm.
Japanese and Chinese. Okay, thank you.
Ooh. Yeah. In other words, Mak Bicara is a polyglot platform. Yes. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Give a plus for us before. Okay, to boost your motivation. Yes, as I mentioned just now, guys, I would like to mention about the topic, and our topic for this evening is aura farming on worldwide. Okay, I wanted to translate. Aura farming means that pacu jalur yang sekarang lagi trending on worldwide, in a lot of the world, something like that. It means that pacu jalur like tradition, yeah, about perahu, yeah, something like that, yeah, perahu. And of course this is a very very trending. So are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Are you
we
ready?
are. Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay, I would like to start from Ratu. So what is your reaction, got opportunity to perform here as a representative of Mak Bicara, and how do you think about the topic?
Okay, first of all, thank you for the opportunity. This is my first time here, and I'm really excited to be talk about this topic. And also, I know this topic is very trending this generation, and I also really appreciate it to be here and talk with all of you guys. Thank you.
So I mean, like, what is your reaction when you first time got this topic?
Okay, my reaction when I got this topic, like, oh, aura farming, is that a really trendy topic just now? And I was like, oh, boleh kok Kak, saya mau bicara, saya mau tampil di sini dan tertarik dengan topik ini. Dan saya juga berpikir bahwa I really like to talk about this topic because it's really show how we talk about this and how we perform show up ourselves.
Yeah, because this platform is make us make you practice English. That
Yes,
is
of
the most
course.
important, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Tika?
Yes.
Yeah. This is your first time. How do you feel to perform here?
Okay, honestly, I'm so nervous.
Oh, really?
Yes, and actually, I'm less confident,
Mhm.
but I think this is one way to improve myself,
Mhm.
and this is first experience for me to be a speaker in front of camera.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
And then about the topic,
Yes.
if I got the topic, I think that is interesting topic
Mhm.
because we will talk about our culture in
Mhm.
Indonesian, specifically in Riau.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Give your statement. Okay. What about you, TV? What is your reaction when you had to say? How do you feel as a speaker for the first time here? And what
I
about the
feel-
topic?
I feel I still nervous, of course, because this my first time.
Mhm.
And then about the topic, I think if I see the topic,
Mhm.
I think it's of course interesting because this
Mhm.
is viral
Mhm.
in right now
Mhm.
in media social,
Mhm.
and then this is yeah, I not really follow this.
Okay. So, what is your reaction when maybe ECC or Papi, how to say, give you opportunity to be representative of ECC?
I think I'm shocked. Of course, I'm shocked.
Yes, was shocked.
Because this first time, and then I think I must confident because this is one opportunity,
Mm.
and
This is the big challenge,
Yeah.
the big opportunity.
yeah, of course.
Uh,
So I think I must confident in this moment.
so you study well?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, yeah. Okay, keep your statement. Thank you. Okay. Itu. So, this is your second performance.
Yep, the second time.
Yeah, the twice. Yeah, second time.
Yeah.
What is the comparison when you perform for the first time here and today?
I think I feel pretty more confident
Mm-hmm.
because the first time I feel kind of, I feel vibrating. So this is kind of feeling. It means like I don't really have a balls to show up.
This
here.
is not my zone.
Yeah?
Maybe like you're thinking that this is not my zone. Oh my god.
Yeah, actually, I pretty thinking about that too.
Mhm.
So I tried to to gather my guts to come here
Mm.
because feeling brave.
You didn't bring your wife?
I didn't bring my wife.
Why?
Actually, my wife is on that in duty.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
And I feel I feel I miss her.
Oh, you so sweet. Oh my god. Okay, so what is your perspective about this topic?
Well, I think the topic is about aura farming, pacu jalur. I think it is about the it's a dangerous
Ah?
thing,
Oh yeah,
to do
yeah.
because
the risk.
you are dancing
on
above the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Above the boat, and I think it's not really it's not safe, I guess, because when you fall, I don't think you're gonna survive because you know that, and also the bow dancer, we call us a bow dancer, the the person who is dancing. I mean, he is a child, and I think it's not something to do for that age.
Okay.
So I think it's pretty
Okay,
dangerous.
okay. You keep your statement, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ratu, why these phenomena are very viral?
Okay, why this phenomenon is very viral? I
Yes.
think it was because he's confident.
Okay.
That aura is how you show yourself to the world that
Mhm.
this is me and I have this aura, kind of
Mhm.
aura, and that's something that not everyone can do that.
Oh yeah.
So
agree.
I think the child is very confident
Mhm.
and he do it effortlessly, but he looks so attractive.
So there is a like uniqueness element that happen in the situation. Like the children are very attractive and very confident. That's why this is like how to say mengambil attention, something like that on
Yes.
worldwide, something like that, right?
I was searching what is aura farming
Mhm.
first, and I think I found out like aura farming is how you show yourself effortlessly, like you don't do something hesitation,
Okay.
like it's something like you just sit down and you do nothing, but you look so attractive with
and
that.
enjoy.
Yes. And I think it's really wow. That's aura farming. How is it? How aura farming looks like?
Okay, thank you. What about you, brother? Why this phenomenon is very viral on worldwide?
I think it is about.
What is the factor?
Actually, this is about charismatic.
Okay.
Because if you really digging on this, I
Mhm.
mean, if you borrowing from sociological aspect,
Asik. Sociological aspect. Oh my god. Uh-huh.
yeah, I mean, this kind of person actually, like that child trying to break the boundaries.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So by being that dangerous in
Mhm.
above the boat,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is kind of like show the world who I am
Mm-hmm.
without any hesitation. I mean, this is kind of like breaking the walls.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why people follow it.
Yeah. This is like yeah, uniqueness, attractive, confidence, and magnet, like a magnet from the
Yeah.
tourists, because this is our very unusual action.
Yeah, unusual because
Mhm.
like if you want to be famous, it
Mhm.
means like you have to be you should try you should try yourself.
Mm.
I mean,
By totally different
by being totally different.
way.
I mean, try to break the walls. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Mm-mm. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, what about you, TV? Why this phenomena is very trending or viral on worldwide? What is the factor?
Okay, I think I same with Ratu.
Mhm.
I think the people there
Mhm.
is another people no did
Mhm.
no can did
Mhm.
can't did about this
Mhm.
or farming
Mhm.
like there is people
Mm.
no I think
Especially for the
Yeah.
children. Mm.
because this your children right and then
Not my children.
I think that is
Uh-huh.
like this your there's children
Uh.
and then di bawah umur like that
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
yeah like
But now he is a very famous.
yeah
He is a superstar. Oh wow! Oh my God! It's
I think
very
you're
proud.
super because this is your child and then you can
Mhm.
like that you can do like that
Mm-hmm. The Blackpink say how you like that. Okay, give me your statement. I move to Tika. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. It's the same question. Why is very viral this phenomenon?
Okay, I think so many culture in Indonesian viral
Mm.
on worldwide. Yes,
Like
because we have a unique culture in
Like
Indonesian.
statue.
Yes, like statue.
Uh-huh.
And I think child be famous because he's confident,
Yeah.
and then
Totally.
yes, and because he's confident, he don't need expensive clothes.
Mm.
Yes,
Yeah.
he don't need expensive clothes, and then honestly, he not in intention
Oh, yeah.
to famous,
Yeah, yeah.
but he get it because he very confident
Mm.
like that.
Yeah, the most important when he doing something, he is like a flowing aura, aura
Yes.
farming.
Yes.
The explanation of the Ratu when he do something, it's like a very flow, very
Yes.
expressive, very attractive, and that's why we call like, oh my God, you are very angelic and attractive. That's why we call like aura farming, something like that, right?
Yes.
So, are you angry with that statement?
Yes,
Mhm.
I'm so agree.
Okay, you still have any addition or you keep your statement? You keep.
Yes, I
You keep
keep.
your statement.
Yes, I think enough.
Okay, yeah, still with us here in 101.1 Smart FM Spirit of Indonesia English discussion, yeah, it's part of your life with English communities. Give it applause for us. Oh my God, it's like looks similar. The colors. yeah. It's
Everything is blue.
but not feeling, yeah. Feeling blue. Oh my God.
No.
who's sana? Yep. Talking about aura farming on worldwide. This is a very unique and like to be icon tourism in Indonesia. Do you believe, guys, that as Sulawesi people, we also have actually potential about tourism, but not how to say in English, tidak kalah, than Pacu Jalur. Do you think we have something like that, even totally different, but we can also like promote to the another country or maybe worldwide, like in Maluku, statue are very trending on worldwide, also Pacu Jalur. And what about Sulawesi? Do you have imagination about our potential? Who? Okay, you. Okay, please. You may make imagination or maybe give the data. You may both of them or one of
Okay.
them, please.
Okay, I think in South Sulawesi specifically,
Mhm.
we can do something like that, something like aura farming,
Mhm.
because actually we have a culture
Mhm.
like Angaru. You know Angaru?
Yeah.
Yes, and
Okaraing.
yes, Okareng, his culture to take a permission from activity.
Mhm.
Yes, like tabe, ini
Mhm.
ada kegiatan,
Mhm.
and I think we can make the culture Angaru
Mhm.
trend on worldwide. Yes,
Okay.
because it's so have to confident,
Mhm.
and then he don't need expensive clothes
Yeah.
also, but apa? Itu sangat interesting
Mhm.
for worldwide.
Yeah. So this is also unbeatable. One of our one of our discovery in our province, like lukisan tertua di dunia in Maros. This is very trending, and latestly some researchers research in shopping. There is like a theory or hypothesis that there is penemuan yang berusia 1 juta tahun.
Wow.
This is a make us like, oh my god,
We also have that too.
yeah. And not only that, we have a viral on worldwide like Lagaligo, you know.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
this
we
is
have
a very viral.
Mhm.
Okay, but I want to stop my story. I want to move to you. So, what about you in your version? Just imagination, or maybe you can give the data like me, give the data, the potential, but tidak kalah with another potential like tourism and something like that in Indonesia. How do you think?
I think you mentioned lukisan
Yeah.
in Leang-Leang,
Yeah.
and I want give you about example like kincir angin at Sidrap. Yeah, you can search in Google, and this is how do you say in South Sulawesi, guys.
Sidrap and
Yeah.
Jeneponto.
Yeah.
Right? Kincir angin and Jeneponto also. We have yes. Any else, or you keep your statement, or you
Yeah, I
still
think
you keep your statement? Okay. What about you? What about just try to imagination, or maybe you give the data about our potential in tourism, or maybe fakta mencengangkan.
I think if we are talking about aura farming, it is related to the people, to the person.
Mhm.
I mean, someone who has a different aura,
Mhm.
right? So I think if we are talking about our culture, it seems like it has to be posed in a person.
Mhm.
So for me, maybe like like berkelahi di dalam sarung.
Si Gajeng
Sarung.
Lalang Lipa. Yes.
Yeah, I
Si
think
Gajeng and si Gajang.
This one is pretty dangerous,
Oh yeah.
but I guess you know.
You have to try.
No.
I'm kidding.
So it is about you know I mean
Uh-huh.
the woman who has two person, yeah.
The philosophy.
Yeah, two person, but the woman cannot choose which
Mm.
one.
And
So they have to fight inside the sarung, right?
Mm.
But I think it is really, you know, pretty hard to promote that.
Mm.
But we have movie, right?
Mm.
It used to be used like you know, sword
Mm.
or something like a knife, yeah, in the
Mm.
past. But right now, I don't think so. They use something like that. They use just, you know, like tangan kosong, yeah.
Mm.
So I think it can be, you know, it can be equal,
Mm.
but we need to promote that a lot, I guess, yeah.
Even only property, yeah, not for the real the knife, right? Okay, this is a commodity, yeah.
Commodity, of course.
Commodity. Okay, what about you, Ratu? Yeah, same. The question, the. Do you have a like imagination, or maybe you can give the data about in Sulawesi? We are not. How to say, kita nggak kalah loh. We have a something to express to the worldwide, something like that.
Okay, when I heard the aura farming,
Mhm.
the something that in South Sulawesi
Mm.
also have potential.
Mm.
I was thinking the Pak Bite Pasapo.
Oh, what is that? How looks like?
Pak Bite Pasapo, it's kind of like local dance also.
Mm.
Dan di Bulukumba itu it's really common. So
Okay.
if we had apa ya Pak Dupa, we also have Pak Bite Pasapo. So it's kind of like dance, and I think it's also from Kajang. So it's really
It
popular.
makes sense.
Yes, it's really popular. Pak Bite Pasapo is
Yeah.
kind of dangerous, same as tadi si Gajen Lalalipa. It's also about fighting with someone.
Oh my
Yes, but it's really common in Bulukumba, and I don't think that I haven't seen in di luar dari Bulukumba. Dan itu biasanya diselenggarakan ketika ada pernikahan-pernikahan juga, same as Pak Dupa itu.
Okay, wow. Indonesia are very rich. Applause, give it applause. Oh my God. Indonesia is a blessing for us. Tanah surga yang jatuh ke bumi. Yeah, it sounds like that. Yeah. Oh my God. Yep. It's still with us, of course, in 101.1 Smart FM Spirit of Indonesia. English discussion is part of your life. Smart FM with English communities. Yeah. Still the same topic, aura farming on worldwide. Yeah. We still have many time. Yeah. My next question. Do you agree, guys, that this phenomena have a like positive and negative effect? And when you have to explain what is the positive and what is the negative effect. Okay, I'll start from you. For the first is explain about the positive side about the aura farming.
I think for especially aura farming, of course have positive and negative impact. Like for negative, we can be social. How do you say, like positive social in relationship. And then for negative, other people like following they want following the trend, and how do you say, like a FOMO, like that, like a FOMO. And I think if you if we can't be like that,
that is a negative aspect.
yeah.
Okay, it means that if the many people like a FOMO, it means that we are not as productive. Yeah, we are not productive,
Yeah.
right? Okay, if we are just FOMO.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I think there are many people not same about the aura. like that. And
What
then,
about aura charisma?
yeah, there's different.
It's totally different. Aura charisma.
I think if like me and my friend,
Oh.
of course, the aura is different.
Okay.
There's
Aura
no sense.
kasih. I'm jokes. Okay, what about you? What is the positive and negative
I
of this
th-
phenomena?
I think if we are the positive, I
Mm.
guess people will follow. Yeah,
Mm.
I mean they will try not to be afraid anymore.
Mm. Oh wow.
I mean you can see from MotoGP,
Oh, yeah.
and they follow it, right?
Mm.
But in another side, I think from the negative, like they follow without consideration.
Mm.
I mean, is it dangerous
Mm.
or not?
It's like latah, yeah.
Maybe.
Uh-huh.
So I think
Mhm.
too much thinking, I guess.
Okay, come on. Do your best.
Yeah, this is aura farming is about being charismatic power. Try to be different, and I think many people will follow. I mean, try to be different.
That is the positive.
It doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be following the trend right now, like Pacu Jalur you mentioned, right? Because there are so many cultures in Indonesia that you can follow, and that is not dangerous, right?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Like Sirit Napace, for example.
Okay.
Of course, right?
Okay, so this is enough, or you still
Yeah,
have
I
any?
think it's enough.
Okay, then. What about you, Ratu? What is the positive and negative side of Pacu Jalur on worldwide trending on another country in all of the world?
Okay, about the positifnya itu same.
Mhm.
There is a lot of people will follow the trend.
Mhm.
There is a lot of people will
And also
uh,
claim
show
also.
themselves that this is my aura, this is
Uh.
me without try too much harder to prove themselves
Mhm.
that this is aura and I have that too.
Mhm.
But negatifnya adalah
Mhm.
ketika seseorang ingin melakukan apa yang dia inginkan dengan menunjukkan aura itu, sometimes there is hal yang mungkin akan menyimpang di kemudian hari, but people will normalize it
Like a
because
syndrome.
yes,
Like a TikTok
because
syndrome,
they
something
have
like that.
aura in it. Jadi
Mhm.
kayak orang-orang bakal normalisasikan hal itu karena itu punya aura,
Mhm,
karena
mhm.
kegiatan ataupun tindakan itu punya aura.
Mhm,
That's
mhm.
the negatifnya. Okay.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Tika?
Okay,
What
alright.
is the positive and negative effect of this phenomena?
Okay, I think in positive impact from aura farming, we will show other country about our culture in Indonesian. But in negative, so many country claim the so many country claim our culture. Yes.
Because this is a viral.
Yes,
And
because this
everyone
is
like-
viral.
Oh, that is mine.
Yes.
That is mine. Come to my country. That is mine.
Yes, and in negative impact also about dangers too for child. I think that's it.
Okay, so how do you think about the children, the appreciation of government to children as an icon? How do you think? Do you have any idea about this? How do you think about the government? Is the government are very care or says so or not about the children who are from Pacu Jalur icon?
I think the government is so not safety.
How do you what do you mean not safety?
What do you think government is pekerjaan sebagai
No. How do you think about the government? Is the government care
Yeah.
to the child or so or not, and why? Because the children is very viral and he is the icon. So how do you think about the appreciation of the government?
Ryan Arkandika.
Yeah,
Yes.
Ryan.
Yes.
The name
is Ryan Arkandika.
Yeah, how do you think?
I think the government Ryan Arkandika get so many
Appreciation.
yes appreciation, and he's so famous now because
Scholarship maybe.
yes, because her
Uh-huh.
dance on the booth
Mhm.
like that.
So the government give many appreciation.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So like what do you have any like information what like of the appreciation Ryan got from the government?
I
You don't
don't
have
know.
any idea?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about the government? Is the government cares so or not or totally not to Ryan?
I think the government is give for appreciate,
Mhm.
but I think I not see many about that.
Okay. It's not significant. It's not
Mm.
significant. Tidak
Maybe.
terlalu signifikan.
Mhm.
Uh-huh. Why?
Cause I don't really following like that, but
Mhm.
I search in social media like
Mhm.
TikTok.
Mhm.
I just see the children
Yeah.
give the opportunity in the how do you say Piala Dunia.
World Cup,
Yeah, for
Olympiad.
mhm.
Okay,
Just-
so the government have to like a more extra
Yeah.
appreciation to Ryan, yeah.
Yeah, just
Okay, like maybe give a scholarship until S3. Yeah, who knows? Yeah, possible. What about you? What about you? The response of the government to Ryan as an icon of Pacu Jalur.
As far as I can see, I think there's no kind of contact, but maybe because this gone viral. I think the government has done something, maybe giving some scholarship as you mentioned before. But yeah,
Maybe give the house, the new house.
you can see many YouTubers try to go there, yeah, by
yeah.
trying the culture.
World YouTuber, even world
Yeah,
YouTuber, yes.
world YouTuber. Because I see the content from Facebook, and this person is quite famous. I mean, the person is exploring islands and finally come to Indonesia
Yeah.
only to see this and giving him much money, I guess. Yeah, I
So-
mean, I feel happy though.
Uh,
Yeah, I feel happy if the child is going to in a World Cup. Wow, it's something to be proud of.
oh wow. Okay, thank you. What about you, Ratu? What do you think about the government? Is government give care, so or not, or totally not, and why?
I think the government have to give his appreciation,
Like
because like scholarship, of course,
Scholarship?
because he is a kid, and I think he need pendidikan, education. Then he also introduced the word that our culture, so I really appreciate it, and I also think that government had to do something like give his sesuatu yang mungkin berharga dan memberikan program that included a child, mungkin anak-anak yang lebih mengasah skillnya.
Okay, like the government have to more concern, more frequentative, yeah, to give something like appreciation to Ryan, because Ryan, how to say, Ryan is a very valuable,
Yes.
ya kan, to product the how to say the visa from our country.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, my next question about Pacu Jalur or Aura farming. So, how do you think, guys, when the foreigner? This is are very funny because a lot of video, short YouTube, show that all of people in a lot of the world do this challenge, do this trend. They are practice, they are imitate, they are showing their style to Pacu Jalur. Yeah, how do you think about this? How to say? challenge, like mannequin challenge, Harlem Shake, and something like that. This is a Pacu Jalur dance, right? So still, with you, how do you think about it?
Okay, what
I
I
think it's very, very funny.
about foreigner that do the dance challenge Pacu Jalur,
Mhm.
I think it's very funny,
Mhm.
but it's also good for us because they know that as long they know that it was from Indonesia,
Yeah.
as long they know that it was from Riau,
And not claim.
and traditional local traditional competition.
Mhm.
And I think it was very fine because they know that it was ours,
Mhm.
itu punya kami,
Mhm.
tradisi itu punya masyarakat Riau, punya Indonesia,
Mhm.
dan itu juga bisa memperkenalkan bahwasannya Indonesia tuh punya tradisi ini dan ini tuh pernah booming dan akan selalu booming pada masa. I
Okay.
think so.
So, like, how to say, it's very fun and funny, yeah.
Very fun and funny.
Yeah. Okay, what about you? How do you think about the foreigner always of how to say, make a gimmick, make a impersonate about this challenge?
Yeah, I think this is kind of positive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because our culture can be
Like
known.
entertain.
Yeah, entertaining us through our gadget.
Uh,
And I think
but they are early even do that than us. You believe it? You believe?
yeah,
Yeah, they are early than us. Yeah, we are not do, but they did. Okay, continue.
yeah, I feel afraid that somehow they take advantages of this, right? I mean,
Advantages. Yeah.
they can produce money by showing to the world.
Yeah.
But I feel, concerned about claiming, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Because if we are just silent, I think our culture can be taken for some people by some people, right? So I think this is, like a government
Some country.
government job, yeah. I mean,
Uh-uh.
to pay extra attention to this culture, because if you just let it go like that, yeah, many countries will claim it.
Like a Frozen. Let it go.
Yeah. So this is something valuable. I mean, it is
Uh-huh.
priceless. I mean, it is something that grew in our culture, in our island.
Yeah, priceless and price tag. Kidding.
Okay,
Thank
that's
you.
all.
Thank you. What about you, TV? Yeah. How do you think about the foreigner always forward to do this, to do phenomena, to do a viral phenomena like in Pacu Jalur? They are earlier than us to copy this. I mean, like make a impersonate. How do you think about it?
Yeah, I think if we search in social media like YouTube, there are many people copy like dance that dance, and then I think if there is people don't know about from where that dance, we I think they are.
You mean it's like the originality?
Yeah.
Where they from?
Yeah.
This dance.
I think
Okay.
they people can be copy and then can be say this from my
Riau.
country.
Yeah, my
But-
country, Indonesia.
Mhm.
But
I think they are copy and then they say this is my country, but no.
this is my culture of my country.
But
Oh.
no.
Okay, tragis ya. Okay, what about you, Tika? How do you think about the foreigners always forward do our culture or did our culture than us?
Okay. So many people make a trend, not on the
TikTok.
good, but on the chair or yes, on the motorcycle, on the table maybe, and it's so fun. But I think so many people force herself to do
To get
to get aura, but but we don't get the aura from there. Yes.
give your bunga-bunga. Give your
Yes.
give, yeah.
Yes, and they always claim our culture and
Jangan sampai deh ya.
yeah, and I think we have to do karena kita yang harus menunjukkan bahwa ini budaya saya loh, karena mereka lebih they are so enthusiastic than us, yes.
Oh my God, hope it's we are.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, in my conclusion, actually, aura farming not only about dance on the booth, but if there is a person, there is someone who has more knowledge, I think that's more aura farming. That's a real aura farming for me.
Yeah.
Not just about dance, not just about trending on the TikTok. Because I'm so always see the aura from any people, any
Like
people.
Aura Cassie,
Yeah, no. like a teacher, like a tutor. He have aura, but he don't dance. He don't have to dance because he have more knowledge, and that's a real aura farming for me.
Okay, thank you, Tika TV. Okay, what is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Okay, my conclusion about this topic, aura farming, but not especially pacu jalur. I think the people different aura, but I think you can how do you say, mengeluarkan aura kalian. Can be,
To
guys.
express your
Yeah.
aura.
Because this aura farming not about not especially pacu jalur just like that. I think you can
It's more than.
you have another people like another people of course have aura but different. I think you can make a trend too.
Okay, what about you? Ito, what is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
I think the aura farming is a good example for the leaders, because by being farming aura points,
Not meeting point.
aura points, yeah. They can take their attention, and they can also like express their feeling. I mean, this is my capability, and they can do beyond that. I mean, by doing beyond that, it means like breaking the walls, not being afraid to do something. So this is kind of a really good way to show the world how the leaders are.
Okay.
Charismatic power.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
What about you, Ratu Domaya? What is your conclusion about our topic?
Okay, my conclusion about this topic is aura for me is just not about dance, but it was how you show yourself to the world that this is you and you have the standard that nobody can do that. Then also like that's how you prove yourself that you can do something that no one can do, but you have aura. That's it.
Okay, giving applause, guys, for us. Thank you, Ratu from MBC, Mak Bicara. Thank you, Ito from Max. Thank you, Tiwi from ECC. Thank you, Tika from ECC. Thank you, guys. See you for the next change, next opportunity. Yeah, thank you so much, smart listeners and viewers, wherever you are. That's all our discussion about aura farming on worldwide with views community in South Sulawesi, especially in ECC and also Max and also MBC. And always listen Smart FM, especially English program, English communities on Smart FM 101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia. And see you for the next week on Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. See you. Good evening. Good night. Bye bye.